Hey guys, it's Unicorn Slime. A huge shout out to all the people who were on the screen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make 2 really fun and easy spring candles. So let's get started. First off, in your container you're supposed to add some water. By the way, right now we're making a water candle. After that, you're supposed to add a thin layer of oil. It's about a tablespoon. You need it to be really thin. You just need to cover the whole surface of the water and ensure that you get a thin layer. As you guys can see, it's not that thick, but it's completely covering the surface. After that, you can add anything you want to. Something like glitter, if you want it to be in the water, then add it before you add the oil, but I just suppose I want it on top of the oil. So I'm putting in some shells, some glitter, and some sequins, and all that amazing jazz. Yes, someone is missing poking slime. I don't know why I poked that, so sorry. After that, you are supposed to add in some bells. You're not supposed to add bells, but I wanted to add some bells because bells are amazing, and this just shows how much I'm missing Christmas during spring. Oh my god. This is a little beachy themed. A lot of people add sand, but it turns this really cloudy and makes it look, sorry, but ugly. So that's why I'm not gonna add sand in it, but yeah. After that, I just took a bottom of a bottle and I just thread a little wick in it by just puncturing a hole in there and then just put it on top of the oil. And I'm just gonna snip the wick up and it's gonna look really cute. This is how it turned out. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous and golden and beautiful. It does not look super springy to me, but I would put this in my room if it was not so liquidy because I'm pretty clumsy at banging down stuff. So now I'm going to show you guys how to make the second candle, which is really easy too. It's how to make candle with powdered wax. My wax is not completely powdered. So by the way, I found this online. I will put a link if I can find it. So you're supposed to just put the powdered wax in here. I just use the instructions. Mostly you're supposed to mix this wax into water, but I decided to do the way my box said. So the box just told me to put this wax inside, pack it down with a fork or my hands, and then just put the wick in there so the wick is holded by the powdered wax, and then we'll get a little candle. It's really easy. So after I put the wax in, I'm going to just pack it down with my hands. A really amazing angle of my hands here. And now I'm just going to nudge this through, the wick through the little candle powder. And this is so easy, and I think bells are my favorite thing because I'm literally missing Christmas during spring. Wrong timing, I guess. But I'm just going to put some glitter and some other magical stuff you would like to add. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I think these look absolutely adorable. By the way, let's see if you guys can subscribe in 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Also, by the way, if you want a shout out in my next video, like, subscribe, and comment down below #KawaiiUnicornSquad for a shout out in my next video. Yes. These look really cool, so I'm going to show them to you guys now. Thanks for watching.